Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about objects in JavaScript. So in JavaScript almost everything is object. So if we create one number using the new keyword, that is one object. So the dates are object, math is one object, the arrays are object, so even the functions are object. If we understand about objects in JavaScript, only then we can understand JavaScript. So first of all, let's see how we can create one object in JavaScript. So there are few different ways we can create objects, and the easiest one is by using the literal. Suppose we wanted to create one person object, so we have to use the curly braces, and inside the curly braces we will have all the properties and methods of the person object in key value pair. So first of all we have the key and then the value. So here the name is Sam, and also we can have the age as 20, and this way we can have multiple properties of that object. And if we console log the person object, so you can see we have that object with two properties, and we can access those properties by using the dot operator. So we can write person.name to access the name of that person, and also we can write person.age to access the age of that person. And also we can create one object by using the new keyword. Like an example, we can create one box object. So for this we have to write const box equal new object, and this will create one new empty box object. And then we can add properties to that box object by using the dot operator. So we can write box dot height, and also we can write box dot width, and we can assign one value. And if we console log box, so you can see we have the box object with the height and width property. And also we need to know that all the JavaScript objects are mutable. That means they are addressed by reference and not by value. That means whenever we copy one object to another object, they are copied by reference and not by value. So here we are copying the person object to the variable x, and now if we change the age of the variable x, and then if we console log the person object, you can see the new person object has the age as 30. So although we are making the change to the x variable, because they are referenced by address and the values are not really copied, that's why the changes are reflected on the person object also. So this is one very important concept of object. So this is the way we can create object in JavaScript. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.